Okay, here you go. You can share this with Bernard also. I'll send you a link to this video. That's how you'll watch it, and you can give it to him, and he can also learn how to use it with this video. Very simple to use. The only place on this sheet where you're going to be allowed to type are in these white areas right here, right? The gray, excuse me, everything else is locked out, so you'll get an error if you lock it out. It will keep track of your starting date and your ending date automatically based on the invoice. And it's real simple. Just enter your data in here. Let's say the first sale was on July 1st. I'm going to make up an invoice number. And let's say that one was for $259. It calculates the tax for you automatically, adds up the total for you, and then gives you a chance to put in here how they paid. I'm going to assume they paid for this one with a check. And it will let you put in the customer. Test customer number 1. And then this is the box that will decide which commission Bernard gets. So if he chooses yes for one that he brought in as a new customer, it switches it to the 55% commission. If you take that away, it calculates it at 50% commission. And it works all throughout the whole thing. So let's say on the 3rd, there's another sale on that invoice, 234234. Let's say that it is also $259. Let's say they paid for that one with a credit card, and this was a different customer. Test customer number 2. And let's say that this one was Bernard's. Now you can see he earned $129 commission on this sale and $142 commission on that sale for a grand total of $271.95. That's for the period 7/1 to 7/3. As you fill this up, it will just continue to build and everything will grow. You can always go back and filter it to just the certain dates that you want to look at. So let me add just a couple more in here. Let's go to 8/1. Let's go 345, 345. And let's make this one $459. And let's say they paid for that one with a charge. And we'll say that that one was also test customer number 1. And then let's go 815, and we'll go 456, 456, and let's say that one was 159. They paid for that one with a check, right? The total amount, that's what we're looking at here. Let's say that one was customer number 2, and that was one that was already there, so not a new customer. Now you can see how this is building over time. We've got data from July 1st to August 15th. As you build this out, it'll keep track of it automatically. Then you can come over here to the history page, hit this refresh button, and it'll draw it for you in a chart. And now you can see sales in your blue line. So the sales for July, sales dollars are over here on this side. And you hover over it, it'll tell you sales were $518. And the commission earned was 130 on 50% and 142 on 55, for a grand total of whatever that is, 259. And this will update over time as you add more and more. This will keep track of it for as long as you want. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll go from there.